Hello and welcome to Vista Virtual School. This video is to assist new users with creating a new account in SchoolEngage. If you have an existing account, we ask that you do not create a new one to avoid complications that come from duplicate accounts in the system. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature and have your credentials emailed to your email account address on file. It is important to note that parents, guardians, or students that are 18 years of age or older should be the only ones creating the account and enrolling students. Now, assuming you have never logged in or created an account in SchoolEngage, click on the Create New Account link. You will notice the instructions at the top of the page. We ask that you go through them and just to ensure that we are creating the accounts properly and by the appropriate person. Here you're going to enter all of the information, and you need a unique email address from your student's email. You want to make sure that these email addresses match. I'm going to create my password and confirm it. And then from here, you're going to enter your information. I am just using test information for this demonstration. Preferred phone number. Once all this information is filled in, you can click on the register button. Now you'll notice here that this field is highlighted in red. It is a required field and must be filled in before you can go on with your registration. Okay, now I'm going to click register. And here's your confirmation that your account was created successfully. Now, before you can even log into SchoolEngage, you will have to go into your email and verify your email address. So what that looks like, subject line will be account creation confirmation. And you just read through and you will simply click on the link here and it will give you confirmation that your email has been verified and you are now able to log into SchoolEngage for the first time. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this video has been helpful in making your registration process as smooth as possible.